Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be working on the FRS. But before we do that, I'm gonna be helping our DHL guy install something on his truck. And then actually, the thing we're gonna be doing on my FRS is we're actually gonna be redesigning my rear diffuser. And I'm gonna be getting Jesse from Infamous Designs to help me recreate this thing. I mean, as you can see, it's in pieces. This was meant to go just on the middle area. But if you guys remember my process video on how to make my diffuser, it's in like 5 parts, just to compensate for my really big exhaust tips. So I'm just gonna leave my FRS in the hands of Jesse, give him my old design and see what he comes up with. Cause he's leveling up real quick. What we're gonna be doing to this truck is front grille conversion. So this is a 2018 F150, and this is what the grill looks like. And this is a Raptor front grille. It would be nice if Sunny was here, but he's on vacation in Vancouver. He actually has one of the newer Raptors, so we could have referenced how to take this thing apart from it. That's okay, this is a learning experience. All right, dudes. So by the looks of it, it's just gonna fit exactly in this area.
Next up is Raptor.
Is this the same model?
It's not the same model, but it's
Two fasteners on both sides of the truck.
I'm pretty sure we'll be able to figure it out. Sweet.
start with those two.
Yeah.
It's these two, and then this pops off.
Yeah. Those two, and then.
What's up, Jess? Good, man. Are you here to assess?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Cool, man. Yeah, so that was my old design, but that's the center part. So what I had it like before was each of these blades, like one's missing obviously, but they matched these, and it was kind of like right there. Got Sergio putting on the letters. It's just a few screws, right?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm just gonna show them this side. Oh, it looks good already. So what they give you is a basic template with nothing on it, but they give you the words separately. So now you got the R. Cool. It's all 14. Grommets are off. And just slide that out, and then underneath you got the 4 10mm bolts. All right, so this is the Platinum Edition F150, right? So it came with some aftermarket parts that aren't on the regular F150, including this fender flare piece. And what Larry found out was once all of the back clips are out, the 2 front clips that are holding it in are actually just sliding clips. So you basically bring the flare up this way and then slide it down, and like you can see on the side here, just little tiny cylinder pegs. But yeah, those stay in.
Once you take the whole piece, there is a piece that has to be separated from the grill.
Okay. Huh.
Because the grill goes, there's some vents here that close in I think it's for a radiator.
Oh, crazy. And you can turn that off and on inside?
It's automatic. I believe they open and close depending on the speed that you're driving.
Yeah, oh cool.
I believe that's the function.
All right, once those flares are off, I think it's just being held on with clips. Just be careful going all the way around. Oh, what? Okay, that works. Nice. Okay, perfect. Now you gotta take the wiring out of your spots.
Yes, that's wiring.
Yeah, I think you just grab one side, I'll grab the other side. Sure.
Perfect.
Wow.
Nice. 2 seconds.
It's out.
So once you got the stock grill off, we're going to be transferring this frame onto the Raptor-Grill lookalike. There are 5 bolts holding it in place. So these 2, one in the center, which is kind of hard to see, but it's in there, and these 2. And then you're going to take off the bottom plate as well, which is attached with regular clips. should be it. Oh, voila. That's it, bro.
Top part.
Looks sick. Sunny's truck. Oh yeah, we gotta get it past this. The rubber liner. Damn, that looks sick.
Let's see something.
Ace. Yeah. Double check.
And you do the
Oh, okay, sweet man. And you just drop it? Yeah. Hey. Raptor front grille conversion. Complete. That looks sick. And it's in black, so this is like Sunny's car, but in black. Sweet. All right, Sergio, my man, we'll go like that. Appreciate it. It looks good. Vroom, vroom. The garbage runner. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get the LED lights working, but Sergio will be back.
We'll
when
be back.
Get those
Hopefully
running.
we get those working.
Definitely, we will, man, for sure.
Hopefully in about a week or so.
Yeah, we'll see you again. thanks for coming by, bro.
With more money.
Yeah, boom. Thank you.
I won't make it back next week.
Yeah. You gotta make the wife happy. Damn. Yeah.
Looking.
Sweet, dude. Yeah, you gonna get some eyes.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Have a good weekend. Have a nice trip, dude. Peace. Platinum edition. Alright, so while Jesse is working on the new diffuser for the FRS, decided we're gonna continue unwrapping the XB, prep it for its next color. Also, these dub wheels are pretty donk. I mean, they could go a little bigger, but so is sparkly. Larry also finished up the two-lay box, so now it is two-tone, part Kelly green and the gloss black that it originally was. This is basically what this XB is going to look like coming soon. I have to worry about unwrapping the front bumper because we're not going to be using that one anyway. We're going to be switching to the Yakuza front bumper. And I'm thinking of actually keeping it black because it might look cool. Where like the front bumper is black, the hood is carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber, but it'd be awesome if we got an actual real carbon fiber hood for this thing. The roof is black, and then I'm contemplating on whether the rear door should be black or green. So, well, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Awesome. Thanks, Larry.
No problem.
Everybody, get this kid to 1,000 followers on Instagram. Okay, follow It's Thick Tomato. He's almost there, guys, seriously. Plus, you guys probably haven't seen his fully finished Altezza. He completed this thing a couple of weeks ago, but as soon as he wrapped it, which took him like 2 nights, he drove straight to Vancouver on it. So it's actually seen some damage during the trip, but still super clean. And right now, actually in this pure sunlight, it looks white, but it's this nice baby blue. Is that it? Or like a tamer sky. I was holding my weight, bro. Alright, it is half unwrapped, but I'm gonna head over next door just to see the progress on our diffuser.
Yeah, we're still on cardboard.
Back to beige. It actually looks cool with a black bumper though. I'm thinking of getting new tires that fit the wheel well a little better than these. Pretty thin profile. And also, these tires are done. It's running spacers right now, so if we get larger tires and maybe actual coilovers, or we invest in a bag system for this, Airlift sponsor us, then we'll be able to tuck these wheels in. Because I definitely want this to be closer to this. It is the second day. It's a little windy, so sorry I don't have the actual filter on this mic, but this mic is so much better than my last mic. You can already see it from the front. So I left the FRS here overnight with Jesse, and he put in a few hours. Let me show you guys what the diffuser setup looks like so far. Boom. Holy. I think that's done. Oh my God. Yo. He did my idea and connected this to the diffuser. What? That is so badass. Damn. It was for the side shots, bro. Crazy. Dude, what are we doing? That is insane. Just a small disclaimer. I have a feeling this can hurt a lot of people, and especially little kids that are just running around the car, oblivious of the aero parts. This is sharp, dude. Look at that. Shin splitter maximum. But it fits it so well. Jesse, you did a good job. By the way, I barely filmed any of this, so if you guys are curious at all to see any of the process, follow Jesse at Infamous Mind.
Funny, but these people can just okay, I'ma need to find a flow. Feel like any, meeny, money, mo. I'ma catch whatever by the toe. You know I am